Hi everyone! So today's video, we are going to do a makeover for this room. It is very dirty, very neglected. It has been neglected for 2 months. And I've decided to, you know what, let's get it together. Let's fix it, let's make it pretty, let's make it, livable for me. A lot of things happened in the past couple of weeks and it's been it's been very challenging. That's all I'm gonna say. But all I can say is that this room is such a mess. It's disgusting, and I just couldn't handle it anymore. I can't really fix it because of depression, and there's like, my tiny dog's been pooing, and it's just a mess. So I hope you guys don't get disgusted just so because, like I'm a pet owner. You might see like pee stains and all that. We're going to clean all of that up and start fresh again. So I bought a couple of things at Amazon that I would like to show to you guys. And then I will buy more things, I think, maybe Target at Walmart. I just needed a couple of more things before I begin this project. I actually renovated the bathroom already. I did a lot of, I did add some accents and all of that, which I'll probably like clip it in here. So hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's not makeup related, but my makeup room right now is absolute garbage. All the makeup are in containers as well. And we are going to do a makeover for that room too. So we're going to go ahead and rip this off. And then I'll probably buy like a wallpaper. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, let me show you a couple of things that I have purchased from Amazon. Now this one is actually a mattress topper. And I'm hoping this is something that it will, inflate when I open it up because it looks like it was sealed shut. And then let me show you what I got here. I also got 2 sets of pillows because I think it is time for me to buy new pillows. And I really hope that these are really, really good. And these are queen size, 20 by 30 inches. And there's nothing like the feeling of a good night's sleep, and that's something that I really, really need right now, especially that I think that if you are having a bad day or like a bad time frame in your life, I think that it really helps a lot if you have a really nice bed, It helps you calm somehow. And then I have a new canopy, and it's going to look like that because I got the pink one. And it does include, lights, but I've seen the reviews that the lights are not really white. It's going to look like, different colors. And I might not use that because that kind of makes it look cheap in my opinion. I think white lights would be cute, but yeah. And then next I have these pillowcases. And then I have a 4-pack just so because I have a cover set that I have purchased as well. And I actually, I'm not going to say like I'm super disappointed in the size of this one because I was expecting for something a little more thicker and then better in quality. But this one, it does feel like light and cheap. And this is around 50 plus, so that's the reason why I'm kind of disappointed. I went to Walmart yesterday and I saw like a bed sheet that is way better, 4 times bigger than this one. So I'm like, and I'm not really the type of person that, returns things. So weirdly enough, I got the black just so because I feel like black and pink would definitely go well with each other. I'm actually surprised I didn't get the pink one. But anyway, this is a fall fur puffy comforter set. It's 3 pieces, 1 duvet cover and 2 pillow shams. So it is so tiny. Like, if this is, I just don't recommend it. It's gonna look nice, but like, no. It's like poorly made and it's like 50 bucks. I'm like, I'm mad. So I am going to get the rest of the stuff from Walmart and then we're gonna start the project. But first, I'm gonna have to peel that one off and take out the unnecessary boxes and start putting clothes here again. Okay, so first things first, I wanted to install all of these 3 cube organizers. I have 6 of these. The size of my bed is a queen. And then I have the rest in that area. And I actually went to Home Depot today and I measured the width of my bed, right? It is so convenient that they do have a lumber that is 4 feet. I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't even have to, get them done. But of course, not all the lumbers are, in best shape. I just, try to handpick them like the best ones, the ones that are just left. But I grabbed 6 of those. Each costs like around $5. And then these cube organizers like 25 each. Actually, if you buy like the 9 cube organizer, that would be way even cheaper. But the reason why we decided to go for this one is because so that we can lay them flat, like a platform bed. So that's that. But I think it should be priced like $19, but that's just me. Anyway, let me show you guys what the room looks like before. I know it is a total mess. It was so beautiful back then. And if you're wondering how, I not right now. All I'm saying is that it is time to be happy. It is time for a different life, and I'm ready and I'm excited. So we're gonna start. I think I am going to get rid of the treadmill first, and then after that install the cube organizers. And then I have like the canopy. I am going to take that out first, so let's do that. Trying to free up space so that we can work. Of course, I am going to vacuum that. Calm down. Before I even begin this makeover, I just wanted to show you guys my companion for today, this Rockstar Pure Zero Watermelon Kiwi. It is actually my first time trying this one, so hopefully it is really, really good. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So you guys know that I have the treadmill inside the room, and I didn't know it's going to leave those dust. But what I'm trying to do is that I wanted to assemble the cubes first. Now that we have this space, we can work and then vacuum and clean at the same time. And I lifted that all up, and I'm actually contemplating, should I put the canopy first or do the cubes first? I'm going to do the cubes first. So again, you will be needing 3 6 cube organizers. Now, that's going to be up to you. My bed, again, it's a queen size, so just make sure that you measure first your bed, and then the lumber is 4 feet. So I just measured everything up before I even went there. I calculated that in my head, and what's good about this kit is that it's so easy to assemble, If there's a 6 cube organizer, of course, definitely get that one. It's going to be cheaper. But since in my location, they don't have any of that available, I just went ahead and got these ones instead. So this is what it looks like halfway. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. In the beginning, I was actually hesitant because I was thinking that it might not be sturdy. And I also purchased this canopy as well. And I thought it came with lights, but it didn't. But it's totally fine. Now, this one is so easy to assemble. This is actually my 3rd canopy. I always get mine, at Amazon. Sometimes at 5 and Below. That's the 5 and Below one. But the ring, it got, it was flimsy. So that's why. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm just showing you the outline on what it looks like. And the lumber, of course, goes in the middle. Some people drill it. I didn't, because I know that I'm going to be moving soon, and you're probably wondering, now why the heck did you even bother to do that? I just want to get a good night's sleep, even though I'm going to be staying here for just a few months, I feel like when you're depressed, lonely, and sad, I think that no matter what happens, you should get some sleep, So this is what it looks like when the mattress is on top. There's a little bit of excess. It's not perfectly, fixed on the sides, or perfectly sized on the sides, but I don't really care about that. So as long as I can go around the cubes and, pull something out from there, then I'm fine. I don't want to push it in the corner because it's going to be, it's not going to make any sense if I put bins in there, you know what I mean? So now I have the topper. Just gonna cut this open and I'm going to air it out so it fluffs really nicely. And I'm sorry if the mattress is dirty. You can see that it has some stains. My dogs, when they're not disciplined, they just tend to do whatever they want. But this is what it looks like. So nice and fluffy. And then on to the next one. Now this blanket, I'm actually surprised that even though it's tiny, it has a little bit of weight on it, which I love. There's something so comforting about this blanket because the weight kind of, for some reason, it relaxes me. So I ended up loving it. At the back, it's more of like a velvety feel. And of course, on the other side is the shag. I love how it feels. It feels very luxurious. And you can wash this too if you wanted to. And it comes along with some 2 pillow covers. I'm just going to quickly assemble this for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. And these are my pillows. I'm going to fluff them out as well. I ordered most of it from Amazon, so I don't have to, go out. But what I noticed is that there are more cheaper options when you go to Walmart. And I wish I could have known that sooner. I don't know why, I have a habit of sometimes going to Walmart, and when I see something cheaper, I'm like, oh, dang it. Well, I will put everything that I purchased on the comment box down below if I can find it online, of course, especially with the Target 3 cube organizers. I'll do my best on that to link it for you guys. And I went to Walmart and purchased these mainstays bins. Now, make sure that the bins are something that will fit your cube organizer, because these are 2 different brands. Sometimes they're different brands, Make sure that they fit. So I got some white ones and I got some pink ones. I just don't like the bins that I have, to be honest with you guys. I'm just trying to get them so that I can finish them up. So this is the progress right now. As you guys can see, there's so much space. And I'm so in love. And of course, when I'm filming, somebody's going to have their weed whacker and cut off the grass. So I'm going to pause it for a while. Hey bitches, I'm back. So as I was saying, I'm about to put these bins inside and I'm so excited because this is more of the satisfying part. So again, there's so many designs out there, but these ones can get really expensive. So I purchased the really cheap ones. I got a little bit of that pink and I'm going to put that on the side. And I'm so, even though these are the styles that I do not really like, I find it a little, it complements the bed. I would say that. And I'd rather have it plain like that compared to the floral designs that I have seen in the store, because I feel like that one kind of makes it a little, it's not for me. I just want it to look, a little elegant and classy. But I'm so excited to show you guys the final outcome. Again, these bins are so freaking easy to assemble. It just collapses, And the best part is that if you are going to move, you can easily just, fold these and it will definitely fit in a box ASAP. Or if you move, you can keep it as it is and fill it with stuff. And that's about it. Ta-da! Ah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And also, just so you guys know that the bins, and I was able to compare the Walmart cube organizers compared to Target. If you guys wanted for me to do a review on that, let me know. Okay. I'm going to do this for the rest of the stuff. Well, in short, I would like to say that the furniture or whatever, it's in Target, it's more sturdy. I'm going to put it that way. So I actually have a shelf that I would like to compare from Walmart and Target so you guys could see the difference as well, if you're all about that home stuff. All right. So the room is not 100% fixed, but let me show you what it looks like. All right, guys, the final reveal. This is the after. Now, I actually am filming this 2 months later because I was extremely busy. You guys could see that the canopy is so long that I have to knot it like that. So it doesn't really look super aesthetically pleasing, but if you're ceilings are very high, then this would be perfect. But overall, I love how it ended up looking. As you guys could see, I have so many storage on the side. Those are 6 bins, and I have the pink ones right over here, as you guys could see, and then the other ones right over here. So there's a lot of storage. And to be honest with you guys, I haven't even filled everything yet, but I have slept in this bed for 2 months, and I could say that it definitely helped me so much. I'm sorry if that's messy. It definitely helped me so much when it comes to, you know, self-healing. And that's the old canopy. I just decided to like just keep it there, and it's fly season. I don't even know why that is there. And then I still yet to put some clothes in, but I really love how this looks. It's so clean. Some of the stuffed toys I ended up keeping, and I think they look nice over there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it is so easy to make, and I just did this all by myself. So if a chicken nugget like me can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.